Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use button blocks in the Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. This is one of the most flexible tools in the new editor, so let's get right to it. First, open up your site and click Edit in the top left corner to enter the main page editor. Next, simply hover your mouse over the very top of your website until a button appears that says Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click that button. Once your header settings open up, click on Site Title and Logo to access your site's identity settings. Now, let's customize the content. Click the pencil icon on the block to open the settings. Under the Content tab, you can change the button text. We recommend keeping it under 25 characters so it stays readable. Right below that, click Attach Link to set where the button goes. You can paste an external URL, search for a page on your site, or even link to a downloadable file or phone number. Then, head over to the Design tab. This is where Fluid Engine gets powerful. You'll see a toggle for Fit or Fill. If you select Fill, the button will stretch to perfectly meet the edges of your blue block container. If you select Fit, the button stays a consistent size based on your site styles and allows you to choose left, center, or right alignment within the block. You can also use the drop-down to switch between your primary, secondary, and tertiary button styles that you've already set up in your global site styles. Finally, don't forget the mobile layout. Click the mobile icon in the top right corner of the editor. Fluid Engine lets you move and resize your buttons for mobile screens without changing how they look on desktop. You can even make a button full width on mobile while keeping it small on desktop. Hit save in the top left corner when you're finished. And that is it. Your buttons are officially live and optimized. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.